Good afternoon, participants. I hope and pray that you and your loved ones are safe and healthy. In this COVID crisis, which has forced all of us to stay indoors, it is vital that we stay immune and resistant to this killing coronavirus. Second wave heat is scorching, and we are yet to recover from it. And people are talking about third wave. It has become critical that we mold our lifestyle in a way that we became resistant to it. Here with me today is our head of department, Amity Medical School, Dr. Lakshita Sharma, who is a dietetics and nutrition expert. An author of 8 books, 70 research papers, 9 patents in her kitty, and recipient of international award, she has been onto the jury of many journals and publications. She will be sharing insights on how to immune ourselves better in this corona crisis. She will be explaining more on how to take care of our diet, mental health, and lifestyle. But before we start, I would like to share a glimpse of Amity University Gurugram to all of you to get introduced what Amity ecosystem and efforts it is taking to be a truly world-class research university.
University Gurgaon, established in 2010. In a few years' time, it has surged ahead to be adjudged the top private university in Haryana by India Today, as well as CMAI. Spread across 110 acres, it has won numerous awards like the Best Private University of the Year 2015 by SHM. Building on its foundation of academic excellence, Amity University Gurgaon has established diverse centers of excellence for breakthrough advancements like the Amity Center for BRICS Studies, Amity Center for Robotics, Amity Center for Nanotechnology, Amity Center for Stem Cell Research, Amity Center for Ocean Atmospheric Science and Technology, and many more. Constantly striving for excellence in all aspects, Amity University Gurgaon has entered into a collaborative program with Indian Institute of Tropical Meteorology, IITM Pune, established under the aegis of Safar Mapan for measuring and monitoring air quality. The campus also has a unique military training camp where thousands of Amity students from all campuses go through military training modules that instill strong feelings of patriotism and hone strategic leadership skills. As part of a leading research-driven university, numerous innovations of Amity students have earned international and national recognition, such as solar-powered vehicles, the Amity Bionic Arm, and the Amity Humanoid. Extensive industry interaction initiatives have seen the likes of Sunil Bharati Mittal, Chairman Bharti Enterprise, that is Airtel, Paytm founder Vijay Shekhar Sharma, and eminent scientist Padma Bhushan Dr. Govindarajan Padmanabhan visiting and engaging with Amity students. A big thrust area for the university is creating positive social impact. As part of the Amity mission to eradicate preventive blindness, Amity Eye Camps have provided free treatment and cataract surgery to over 12,000 Haryana villages. The 3-year-old annual Amity Gurgaon Marathon, which has seen participation from over 30,000 runners, besides making people health conscious, highlights various social issues. The Amity student community also actively participates in social initiatives like Udaan to educate underprivileged children. Students are also driving cancer awareness camps, Swachhata Abhiyan inspired Clean the City drives, regular blood donation camps. Amity University Gurgaon is India's only university and Asia's second to be awarded the LEED USA Platinum certification, the highest standard worldwide for environmentally responsible design, construction and operations of existing buildings.
Amity also offers you a basket of career-focused disciplines in all streams of interest to Class 12 students like you. Let's take a glance.
Let's take a glimpse of the pulsating campus life at Amity University, Gurgaon, that goes beyond academic excellence, which allows you to flourish as an individual by organizing and participating in diverse cultural events and competitions such as Youth Fest or being a part of Sangathan, the Inter-Amity Institution's sports meet that marks the birthday of Amity's founder-president. You get countless opportunities to enhance your organizational, teamwork and leadership skills. At Amity University, Gurgaon, you follow a learning and development curve that is designed to help you stay ahead of the future by empowering you to dream and carve out a vision. It has been conceived to help you optimize your true potential. So if you see yourself joining the League of Indian Visionaries shown earlier, then go ahead and envision a better tomorrow for yourself and for India.
Thank you so much, everyone. I would request Dr. Lakshita Sharma to please take over the webinar further. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome to this webinar, which is the need of the hour, which I'll say. And I want to thank you, Mr. Sachin Juneja, to give me an opportunity to present some scientific facts among the general population regarding the coronavirus, COVID-19, or how to build immunity. There are many questions that are, arising in the, mind of population daily. And we are also prone to many myths related to COVID-19. So in this presentation, I'm sharing my presentation. I would be talking about the science here and also talking about the facts that are being, found out, scientifically. We won't be talking about like any, WhatsApp messages or anything. And people have many questions, and they ask me personally also that what is immunity, how to, boost it, and how, you have seen in the last year, we are been struggling to combat this virus. But the results are that some people are able to fight this virus and some are not. So what are the reasons that some people are not able to, combat this virus? Because the human body is same for everyone. So why the things are different in our body? Why some people are very much, get very less symptoms, some get severe symptoms, some are even, very sad to see the today's data that many are, succumbing to their this virus attack, and this is happening nowadays, and it is a fear, a panic is being created in the society. So let us go through these 4 factors of nutrition, mental health, lifestyle, and productivity, and side by side how your immunity and the effectiveness of body is affected by this virus. So all of you, I want to, Mr. Sachin Juneja has introduced me. So I am from Amity Medical School. I am heading that. So AMS is, a world-class education we are providing, and we come under Allied Health Sciences. And we have 7 departments under it, and I'll also give the introduction of those departments. So I am from the diet and nutrition background, and I am PhD in dietetics and nutrition. So let us start with the, the question of the theme of the webinar. That is, first of all, you should understand what is COVID-19. Obviously, most of you know that COVID-19, it started in 2019. So coronavirus 19 was the name, but it is a strain of SARS-CoV-2, and the problems are similar as respiratory problems and breathing difficulty, and patients experience like a flu-like symptoms, that is just as flu and it will go after some time. But does it happen? So it is a distinct genome that is being present, and it can mutate, because whenever a virus can बहुत time तक if it can live, yani it is going through a in November 19 to till say today May 21. So it can mutate, it can have variations because the genome changes, and virus is dead until it is outside your body or any living being. The property of virus is it will only develop or activated when it gets a living host. So living host is very important for a virus to thrive or to develop properly. So coming back to the topic of the immunity, that is there are 2 types of immunity. There are others also, but related to our topic, these are two types, that is innate and adaptive. So innate immunity is basically, it is a non-specific immune system. So it is in a defense mechanism that is present in our body. So like your nose, your skin, your hair, that is a natural killing system of the body. Daily you inhale a millions of bacteria, viruses, but none of them impact you in a negative way. Why? Because your innate immunity is there. Then comes the adaptive immunity. That is that develops a specific antibodies for a specific virus that is needed for this virus, COVID-19. So this coronavirus needs your adaptive immunity or adaptive immune system to be developed so that your body can kill or survive this virus or develop antibodies. So there are many things that you can do to increase your adaptive immune system, and it is not impossible to increase the immunity. No doubt it takes time, and it also depends from individual to individual. So what are the factors that affect it? First of all, you should understand that it is not that I am doing yoga, I am doing exercise, I am doing everything, I am having kadha, I am having supplements, I am having all the herbs in my diet, I am having, and then also my immunity is not there. So don't overdo anything. So I'll take you through certain important points. If you follow them, you will be healthy. Okay. So how is your immunity building starts in your body? First question. So that is, inherent we have the adaptive immune system. हमारी body के अंदर we have cells that develop this immune system. तो कुछ में वो develop कर पाता है, कुछ में नहीं. तो वो जो नहीं है, उसके reasons हैं what I am going to tell you. That is mostly the adaptive immunity is built by vaccinations and certain medications. So this is, vaccination drive is going on. So please take the vaccine, first step. And also certain medications can help you. The other researches show that exercise and the diet, the micronutrients, A, C, D, E, B2, B6, B12, folic acid, iron, selenium, these can help to build the immunity. And zinc is also coming up as an important nutrient. And these nutrients are not very difficult to acquire. बहुत मुश्किल नहीं है, but you have to concentrate on your diet as well. So activation of immune system is, very important. So major 4 points: exercise, diet, avoid smoking, avoid alcohol, and keep your body fully nourished. So I have seen, I'm talking with the facts today, that why I told you to keep your body fully nourished. I read some researches, and also there are many researches going on this topic and also getting published in good journals. So what they say, the patients who did not, they succumbed to the COVID-19, they were not able to fight back this coronavirus, were the people who were malnourished. So this was one of the study that was done, that if you are malnourished, so malnourished means the nutrients are not proper in the body. Some of the nutrients are to be provided daily. आप daily diet खाते हैं, उससे आपको nutrients मिल जाते हैं. And some of the nutrients get stored in your body. कुछ stored रहते हैं and they can be used over and over again. So that is the malnourished people हैं, and you also get to know how to know that we are malnourished. Maybe everybody is working fine, so हमें पता ही नहीं चलता है कि हम malnourished हैं. That is checking for clinical signs of the malnutrition. So skin problems, digestive issues, loss of hair, and frequent headaches. So this is one of the signs of malnourishment. So have a good look at your face, that do you have good hair or hair fall is there. So shiny hair should be there, clear eyes, the eyes shouldn't be yellow, red, or the watery eyes, or if you have a burden on the eyes, if the pressure of the eyes is increased, smooth skin, firm flesh, alert expression. Some people when you meet, they are always alert and talking to you in a healthy, and some are like always depressed, sitting droopingly. And this is a sign that you are not getting enough nutrients in your diet. So these are very general signs. I am not telling you, okay, go and check your vitamins, minerals, and all the things to go and check it, or get the blood test done. So these blood tests are very expensive. You cannot get checked your B1, B2, B3, B4, B5. So they are expensive. But you can, there are some clinical signs. When you go to a physician, what a physician do? क्या करता है physician? Check your eyes like this, check your nails, your skin, your hair, your stomach, whether any swelling is there, whether any other issues are there in the body. So this is how you get to know you are malnourished. And poor nutritional status has certain things. So people around you who have these symptoms, that poor physique, less stamina, dull lifeless hair, dull eyes, slump posture, fatigue and depression, grossly overweight or grossly underweight, the person is not able to keep their weight normal. So these are, these are symptoms of poor nutritional status. So start looking at your body. And if you are having frequent headaches, like a headache is a very common thing nowadays, anybody can have get headaches. So headache agar kisi ko roz ho raha hai, if you are working 9 to 5 and you are getting headaches regularly, then it is a serious issue. So look for these symptoms first of all. Then your body composition. So next is your body composition, how it plays a role. अब body composition सबका क्या है? Lean weight, fat tissue, water weight. Our body is made of cells, cells to molecules, molecules to tissues, tissues to organs. This is the cycle our body follows. So lean weight is muscle mass, that is a protein intake. How much is that in your body? Fat tissue and water weight. When a baby is born, infant has 80% of his or her body as the water weight. So lean weight, fat tissue, water weight, these totally combine your body composition. The people, this diagram is depicting like if the male should have 45% of muscles, 25% of organs, 15% of fat, and 15% of bone. And female should have 36% of muscle, 24% of organs, 27% of fat, and 13% of bone. So this is an ideal body composition for male and female. Females have a bit larger fat stores and males have lesser fat stores. The more muscular your body is, the more your basal metabolic rate. अब basal metabolic rate का क्या मतलब है? So basal metabolic rate simple language में, at the pace your organs are working. आपके organs अंदर काम कर रहे हैं. Heart is beating, brain is working. आप मेरा lecture सुन रहे हो, ear is working, brain is working, your senses are working. So what is that? That is your BMR. You are also burning calories. I am speaking, so I am also burning calories. You even burn calories while sleeping. So burning of the calories in the body is related to your BMR. The more muscle mass, the more BMR. The more fat mass, the less BMR. So fat tissue हमें अपनी body से कम रखना है and muscle mass ज़्यादा करना है. इसीलिए I am telling you about the weight thing. Now weight is also for the athletes, for bodybuilders, for the gym goers or the people who are into these sports activities. They have always the weight on the larger मतलब increased amount. तो नॉर्मल वेट से BMI उनका हमेशा ज़्यादा होगा. क्यों? क्योंकि द मसल मास इज ऑलवेज हेवियर देन द फैट. Muscle burns calories, fat do not. Muscle gives you better immunity, fat do not. And muscle gives you higher BMR, fat do not. So fat is the first villain in your diet and also the type of fat you are consuming. So I'll come to that also in the later part. So however, this is, we say regular exercise karo, exercise karo. What exercise will do? The exercise will boost your immune system by decreasing the fat content and also increasing the muscle mass, and your cells will breathe. So today's scenario in the world is we are oxygen deficient. हम लोग ऑक्सीजन की कमी है, that is dropping down in many of the patients. You must be watching the news. So first is and foremost thing is to increase oxygen is to increase your iron levels in your body. So iron and hemoglobin should be at a good good levels, and then this iron will transport a good amount of oxygen from lungs to heart to brain to everywhere in your body. Now what the researchers say, I'm talking about nutrients, malnutrition. So there was an interesting study that was done by Dr. Robert Cathcart. He was a physician. No doubt this research is old research before the COVID-19 arrived. What he did, he suffered from pneumonia, and most of the COVID-19 patients suffer from pneumonia. So he tested himself. He took 2000 mg of vitamin C every 6 minutes and had 1 lakh mg of vitamin C per day. Now this is the highest dose one has taken of vitamin C, and he recovered really fast, and cold and cough went away within 2 days. and the pneumonia was cured in few days. This was one research that says that vitamin C has antiviral properties and it is ranked as topmost nutrient to cure it. The first reason is you have to increase your vitamin C content, not to the extent of 1 lakh mg, but to an extent like please 5 times of your daily requirement you have to take vitamin C in your diet. This will boost up your immune system. It will, kill the histamines in your body, the inflammation causing substances. And because COVID-19 patients में inflammation बहुत देखी गई है cells में, so this is first thing. Now on COVID-19 patients, our requirement is 40 mg per day for Indians by NIN and ICMR. These are the given values. Now the researches that is done on the COVID patients, the physician cured for pneumonia and COVID patients for China and USA में, this was done that vitamin, when they say that their patients were not recovering, they were succumbing to the oxygen levels, they were not able to breathe and they were in the hospital. So what physicians did, they did higher doses of vitamin C intravenously to the patients. So 1500 milligrams, our requirement is 40 to 60 mg. See, the requirements also changes from region wise. अब US में vitamin C अलग requirement है, Indians की अलग है, Asians की अलग है, Africans की अलग है. So the requirements are different in different countries. But we'll follow ICMR and NIN, that is National Institute of Nutrition. So 1500 milligrams they gave, and they saw, and this is the link of the article as well, in New York hospitals, and this model was followed by then China also, and the patient recovered, substantial improvement was seen, and patients were able to recover from this coronavirus. So this says that vitamin C is a lifesaver. So ascorbic acid है vitamin C, and हम कहते ही हैं it is used to prevent the respiratory systemic infections, activation of immune system, antimicrobial, natural killer cell activities हैं. Now these are the foods. अब vitamin C सबको पता है, guava में है, orange में है, नींबू में है. Now कितना है? So I'm telling you the quantities of each food. Amla 600 mg, so one amla can complete your daily requirement. Guava 212 mg, orange 30 mg, orange juice 64 mg, ripe papaya 57, strawberry 52, and your requirement is only 40 to 60. So you can very well make कि किस fruit को कैसे खाना है. And fruits are never, harmful. Pineapple, green chilies, cabbage, and drumstick leaves. These are the richest sources of the vitamin C. Now there is also a theory that the vitamin C that is taken by the food, जो आप food से लेते हैं, that is not completely absorbed. अब ऐसा नहीं है आपने green chilies ली 100 grams या फिर आपने cabbage 100 grams खाई तो 124 mg आपको vitamin C मिल गया. It does not happen. There are losses of the nutrients during the digestion, absorption, transportation, and also in the metabolism. So completely you will not get 124 mg, but you will get some of the vitamin C from the cabbage. So that is the case that we recommend supplements like, sodium ascorbate is the supplement, salt name that is very easily in the absorbable form given in the vitamin C. So if you take one tablet of Limc or the sodium ascorbate daily also, then also you can build your immunity. Then second nutrient is vitamin E, that is also being seen in that has improved the responses in the corona patients. So one of the study was done in Turkey recently in 2020. Healthy elderly population, that is they were administered with 800 mg to embo alpha tocopherol placebo, and it shows increased in the cell mediated immunity, and also it was found that there was improvement in their condition. The symptoms decreased with vitamin E placebo effect के साथ. तो vitamin E was given. Then further it was found that vitamin E also decreased the allergic response in the babies. तो एलर्जीज रिलेटेड जैसे हिस्टामिन्स हैं जो एलर्जेंस होते हैं जिससे आपको कोल्ड फ्लू और फीवर होता है, these are called allergens. So vitamin E also decreases that. So immune system is modulated by vitamin E, and also it is observed in both animal and human based studies. It plays an important role in building innate and adaptive immunity. सोर्सेज क्या हैं, अब आप क्वेश्चन है. सो आपके जितने घर में ऑयल्स हैं, so that contains vitamin E. Almonds, peanuts, spinach, asparagus, seafoods, pumpkin, broccoli, soybean oil, safflower oil. So these are all rich, sources of vitamin E. Then docosahexaenoic acid is like omega-3 fatty acids that also kill free radicals in the body. Free radicals क्या हैं? The chemicals that are present in our body or free oxygen species, reactive oxygen species भी हम उसको कहते हैं. So this reacts in your body and what happens? It decreases the immune response. तो खाने में ऐसी चीज़ बहुत ज़रूरी है that this immune response can be increased. So reactive oxygen species and the oxidative stress has to be decreased in the body so that your immunity is built up. These are avocados, canola oil, olive oil, peanut oil and nuts. So easy sources, कोई मैंने ऐसे sources नहीं बताया that you can't have them, so you can have them also. Then also zinc was also got tested and also zinc का तो बहुत ज़्यादा आप लोग सुन ही रहे हैं that it is very effective in killing the pathogens and also it was very reduces the illness and prophylaxis that is caused by the coronavirus. So study हुआ कि 28 COVID-19 patients 7 days after zinc supplementation were they have improvement. None of them died and they began the improvement in only 1.6 days. So this was on study done on 28 COVID patients. So again, the theory proves that zinc is effective in the, no patients were hospitalized after the treatment of zinc. So have a diet rich in zinc. Now, what are the foods that contain zinc? Red meat, oysters, and food are beef, baked beans, chicken, dark meat, pumpkin seeds, yogurt, and many more. Nuts. Zinc is in every food product. You should know that. So you are eating roti, that also contains zinc. आप dairy products, दूध पी रहे हैं, curd खा रहे हैं, yogurt ले रहे हैं, green leafy vegetables ले रहे हैं, all of them have zinc. तो जिंक के लिए आपको डरने की ज़रूरत नहीं है दैट मैं जिंक कहाँ से बढ़ाऊँ या मेरी बॉडी में जिंक माइन्यूट क्वांटिटीज़ में अलाउड है हमारी बॉडी में, हमें ज़्यादा रिक्वायरमेंट नहीं है जिंक की. वी डोंट रिक्वायर जिंक इन लाइक भाई बहुत हाई डोजेस चाहिए, नो नॉट एट ऑल. अगर आप डेली रिक्वायरमेंट पूरी कर रहे हैं, यू आर ईटिंग एवरीथिंग, देन you don't need to take the supplements even. But today's time supplementation इसलिए हम कह रहे हैं so that the food से जो metabolism losses हैं, the absorption losses हैं वो ना हो, and zinc is being provided to your body to fight the infection. So these were three major nutrients so that are that have a role. No doubt the vitamin A, D, there are many nutrients that are coming up in the studies. But the proper, I have shown you the studies which have shown improvement. Iron is also important, and also there are many nutrients. So nutrients is a family. So every nutrient is important, and at this time don't go for like low fat diets, low carbs diets पे मत जाइए. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कई लोग दे आर थिंकिंग कि वी आर एट होम तो चलो डाइट शुरू कर लेते हैं, एंड दे आर हैविंग लो कार्ब्स, लो फैट डाइट, कीटो डाइट, एटकिंस डाइट. Some are saying keto diet will cure corona, some are saying that Atkins will. No, it won't. So please don't be fall to such myths that मैं डाइट कर लूँ चलो हम वेट रिड्यूस कर लेते हैं. You can do, but in a balanced way. Don't follow extreme diets, fat diets, कुछ भी ऐसा ना follow करें. Then there are some food products like chickpeas, चने जो आप खाते हैं, fatty seafood are immunosupportive, heart health, omega-3 fatty acids, carrots, Brazil nuts, bell peppers, lentils. These are other nutrients. So foods that will provide you nutrients to the to absorb and to fight this infection. And also there should be no comorbidities with the patient. The patients who have diabetes, the patient who have kidney disorders or respiratory disorders, they are more prone to the negative impacts of the corona. So और ज़्यादा ही प्रॉब्लम वायरस अटैक्स यू एंड यू आर अंडर अ थ्रेट. जैसे कि आपकी बॉडी एक स्ट्रेस के अंडर आ गई एंड योर बॉडी नीड्स टू फाइट बैक. सो व्हेन योर बॉडी नीड्स टू फाइट बैक, कैसे फाइट करेगी? हमारी बॉडी का फ्यूल है न्यूट्रिएंट्स. हम खाना खाते हैं, वो सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट चीज़ है इन आवर डाइट. आवर डाइट विल फाइट विद द इन्फेक्शन. तो ये जो डाइट फाइट करेगी इन्फेक्शन से, दैट इज़ द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग. अदरवाइज कैसे फाइट करेगी? क्या दोगे आप बॉडी को? एंटीबायोटिक्स, इट वोंट हेल्प. इफ यू थिंक कि आपको मेडिकेशन बचा लेगी, इट वोंट। रेमडेसिविर बचा लेगी, वो भी नहीं बचाएगी। सो ऐसा नहीं है कि द मेडिकेशन इज अलोन, योर डाइट एंड योर इम्यून सिस्टम आर देयर टू प्रोटेक्ट यू. Nobody else will protect you, neither the myths, and nor don't try those myths. And you can ask me if any myths you want to confirm about the scientific truth. Then also now I'm coming to the, this was about diet, and also I'll give you some principles to how to eat right. That then is this stress, that is panic and stress, mental health. We'll talk about that. That is also I've seen in many of my acquaintances and my students and my colleagues. They are under a constant panic and stress, and they are sending like what to eat, what not to eat. So first of all, come out of this panic. You don't have to get stressed if you are taking all precautions that are issued by Government of India and WHO. That is sanitization and hygiene. So keep that. Avoid avoid meeting people, going to the gatherings. So this will save you from the virus. Not following some tricks here will save you from the virus. So stress is one thing that is in this time, that is the panic situation. This will reduce your immunity when you are under constant stress. And there are stress that you don't know even that you are suffering from stress. कई बार हमें पता ही नहीं होता. We think कि we are under stress. No, we are not. So but we are under stress. So that is the substance that is secreted by body during stress. जब आप stress में होते, what your body feels? Let me tell you. हमारी body के दो reaction है, flight और fight. या तो fight करेगी या भागो. तो this is two reactions of our body. तो stressful condition में body को ऐसा लगता है this is a element that is from outside and I have to fight it. So your body increase the levels of hormones in your body. तो हॉर्मोन्स बढ़ने शुरू हो जाते हैं, जिसमें कि स्ट्रेस हार्मोन बढ़ने शुरू होते हैं, नॉट गुड हार्मोन्स. कॉर्टिसोल इज वन ऑफ देम. तो व्हेन दी स्ट्रेस हार्मोन्स इंक्रीज, दे इम्पैक्ट योर बॉडी इन अ बैड वे, एंड इट डिस्टर्ब्स द फंक्शनिंग ऑफ द लिवर, इट डिस्टर्ब्स द एब्जॉर्प्शन ऑफ द न्यूट्रिएंट्स. तो जो आप, और इट डिस्टर्ब्स द स्लीप. तो ब्रेन फंक्शन भी डिस्टर्ब कर दिया. ब्रेन में पिट्यूटरी ग्लैंड है जो कि मास्टर ग्लैंड है. इट इज मेकिंग यू वर्किंग डे एंड नाइट. सो ये पिट्यूटरी ग्लैंड को भी डिस्टर्ब करेगा. तो स्ट्रेस एक छोटी सी लाइन है, एंग्जाइटी, स्ट्रेस, मेंटल हेल्थ. और ज़रा सा भी आप, अगर आप एक मान लीजिए फॉर एग्जांपल वर्क स्ट्रेस दैट इज बीइंग सीन, स्टूडेंट्स में एग्जाम स्ट्रेस, sitting at home they are under stress, they are seeing your colleagues, your relatives, they are suffering from COVID. So this is also kind of stress. So don't get affected by this. Whatever is there, you have to face it. So you have to see that in modern times, worrying about coronavirus, the stock market, the general disruption of life has added to our stress levels. So New York Times has said that, but we know stress can make you more susceptible to respiratory illness and many more damages stress can do to your body. So don't smoke. In mostly stressful conditions, people go out for smoke. This is a general habit, so avoid it. And some of the people start taking alcohol, avoid it. Improve sleep habits, eat a balanced diet, and get enough of vitamin D. Then comes diet and neurotransmitters. अब ये stress है तो ये क्या करेगा? ये neurotransmitters क्या हैं? Neurotransmitters are the signal carriers basically in common language. तो ये सिग्नल जो है न्यूरोलॉजिकल और मेंटल डिसऑर्डर्स हो जाएंगे अगर ये सिग्नल प्रॉपरली ब्रेन से बॉडी में नहीं पहुंचे. तो एस्पार्टिक एसिड, कोलिन, ग्लूटामिक एसिड, फिनाइलएलानिन, ट्रिप्टोफैन, टायरोसिन, सेरोटोनिन, दीज आर ऑल न्यूरोट्रांसमिटर्स. अब ये न्यूरोट्रांसमिटर्स का सीधा रिलेशन आपकी डाइट से. इफ यू वोंट हैव प्रॉपर डाइट एंड स्लीप, द न्यूरोट्रांसमिटर्स वुड बी नॉट वर्किंग प्रॉपरली, प्रॉपर नहीं काम करेंगे. तो दीज आर फैमिली ट्री. तो मोस्टली किसी को जॉइंट हेल्थ प्रॉब्लम है, किसी को इनहेरिटेड डिप्रेशन है, दिस इज B9 डेफिशिएंट विद अ हार्ट रिस्क, देन थिनिंग ऑफ बोन्स इज देयर ससेप्टिबिलिटी टू डायबिटीज इन द जीन्स. तो दीज आर ऑल फैमिली इश्यूज. किसी की भी फैमिली में हाइपरटेंशन, डायबिटीज, कैंसर्स, कोई भी डिजीज हो सकती है, एंड इट बिकम्स अ फैमिली ट्री दैट यू ऑल गेट अफेक्टेड बाय दोस. ओके, सो जीन्स को तो आप नहीं कर सकते कुछ. जीन्स आर जीन्स. Whatever you have inherited, it cannot be changed. But how to change it? There is a way that you can avoid these diseases for longer duration of time. Push those diseases by your lifestyle and diet and be stress free. So this is like one of the antidepressant, that is, GABA. That is food like berries, apples, citrus fruits, tea, wine, cocoa, pear, chamomile flowers, that is chamomile tea. It is very much available in the market. It's very good for stress reductions and sleep. Then passion flower. These are, many things can help you to combat stress. Then live hormone is oxytocin. This hormone is also secreted in our body when we are into a pleasure mood, and also low levels of oxytocin can leads to anxiety, depression, autism, social phobia, anorexia nervosa, and even personality disorders. So vitamin D and oxytocin won't be going down in your body. So citrus fruits, tomatoes, broccoli, cabbage, green peppers, Brussels sprouts will increase your vitamin C levels also, and oxytocin. So see, all the neurotransmitter levels are related to your न्यूट्रिएंट्स. बट जब आप अंडर स्ट्रेस होते हैं तो ये न्यूट्रिएंट्स एब्जॉर्ब नहीं होते. जब तक आपकी लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन्स न्यूट्रिएंट्स एब्जॉर्ब करके आपके लिवर में नहीं भेजेगी, तब तक यू वोंट बी गेटिंग द न्यूट्रिएंट्स. अब आप स्ट्रेस में हो या आप टीवी देख रहे हो, फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई विल गिव यू एन एग्जाम्पल. मोस्ट ऑफ अस ईट अवर फूड्स व्हाइल वॉचिंग टेलीविजन. खाना क्या खा रहे हैं नहीं पता, बस वी आर ईटिंग आवर प्लेट एंड वी आर कॉन्सेंट्रेटिंग ऑन द टीवी. न्यूज हो, चाहे सीरियल हो, चाहे मूवी हो, whatever. So never eat your food while watching anything, because your brain is not getting signal to that you are eating food. आपके brain को signal नहीं मिल रहा है कि आप खाना खा रहे हैं. So this is one of the thing, that is you are not feeding your brain, you are not feeding your body. Brain को signal नहीं मिला nutrients का, then it will start releasing the stress hormones. स्ट्रेस के दो इफेक्ट्स हैं ईटिंग पे. मॉडरेट स्ट्रेस है कि आप इमोशनल ईटिंग, you are under emotional stress, somebody was ill, something happened in your family, that can engage you to the emotional eating. You are eating anything, you don't know what you are eating. Then comes the severe stress. You are under long time, you are under moderate stress. Acute is like abhi hua and then khatam ho gaya. Severe stress क्या करेगा, आपकी appetite shut down कर देगा. You won't feel hungry. So this is severe stress and people don't realize. So healthy eating is also important during stressful times. Okay. So now अब मुझे कैसे पता चले मैं स्ट्रेस में हूँ, कैसे पता चलेगा? So sometimes people don't know they are under stress. Like daily work we are doing, daily everybody is doing everything, anything. आप काम पे जा रहे हैं, आप पढ़ा रहे हैं, whatever your work field is. तो आप क्या you are eating high fat, sugar, salt diets. जब आपको स्ट्रेस होता है चॉकलेट की तरफ मत भागिए, या आप आइसक्रीम खा रहे हो या फ्राइड फूड ज़्यादा खा रहे हो, यू आर हैविंग क्रेविंग्स फॉर दैम. So this is one of the symptom that you are under stress. Drinking too much coffee or many strong drinks. You think you need alertness of mind. मुझे मेरा दिमाग alert चाहिए. So you are having black coffee. You are having or thinking कि black coffee is very cool and it is very beneficial for the body. और चाय पी रहे हैं या फिर आप you are having tea or too many soft drinks or sugary products, anything. So this is your body is under stress. Skipping meals, not eating enough. तो कई बार लोग सोचते हैं आज लंच छोड़ देता हूँ थोड़ा डाइट हो जाएगी, बट इट डज नॉट वर्क लाइक दैट. Mindlessly eating when you are not hungry. Sometimes we are opening the fridge and searching what should I do. There's something to eat. जो मिला you are eating. Every hour you are going to fridge, opening the fridge, seeing कि what is to be eaten. You are eating cold drink है, चलो ये पी लिया. So what my suggestion is, keep your fridge filled with the healthy options. आपके पास unhealthy option होंगे नहीं तो आप पिएंगे नहीं, simple. या खाएंगे नहीं. Eating fast food on a go, burgers, pizzas, and we call them fast food. अब क्या है कि India was never made for the fast foods. Please remember that our staple diet is not pizza and burgers or breads. Our staple diet is wheat, ragi, bajra. These are our staple foods that our genes are made for them. So don't follow Western kind of diets that you are eating food, having beer or having cold drinks with the food. You are destroying your health by eating such kind of foods. Daily I see many people, drinking such kind of things with the foods or having sodas or having anything. So junk food is sometimes it's okay, but don't make it a habit that you want Maggie every night. You are waking up till 12 and you are feeling hungry. Now you are making Maggie or you are having the noodles. I have no issues with Maggie, but daily it is harmful to have it. Trying dangerous fat diets to make for poor eating habits if you could promote prone to emotional eating. So this you have to see whether you are under stress. These all are the symptoms of stress. अब आप ये खुद सोचें व्हाट स्ट्रेस यू आर हैविंग. हिडन स्ट्रेस भी बहुत हैं जिंदगी में. यू डोंट नो. इवन स्टूडेंट्स आर अंडर स्ट्रेस. नॉट इवन मतलब यंग जनरेशन ज़्यादा स्ट्रेस में है हमारी ओल्डर जनरेशन से. दिस यू शुड नो. नाउ स्ट्रेस सबसे ज़्यादा मैंने हाईलाइट किया है वीकेंड इम्यून सिस्टम बिकॉज आवर टॉपिक इज टू इम्यूनिटी. सो दिस इज लाइक व्हाट स्ट्रेस विल डू टू योर बॉडी. अब हाइपरटेंशन, हार्ट डिजीज आप सुनते आ रहे हैं. स्ट्रेस डायबिटीज करेगा, बीपी करेगा, हार्ट डिजीज करेगा, किडनी फेल करेगा. ठीक है करेगा. ओके लेकिन आर बॉडी इज अ वेरी गुड मशीन, एकदम नहीं करेगा. लेकिन आज की डेट में इम्यून सिस्टम तो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट हो गया है और अब हमें एकदम अपना इम्यून सिस्टम स्ट्रांग चाहिए. अभी हम सारे हर्ब्स खा डालेंगे, अभी हम सब कुछ कर डालेंगे कि इम्यून सिस्टम स्ट्रांग हो. बट इट डज नॉट वर्क लाइक दैट. आई एम टेलिंग यू दैट इट टेक्स टाइम लगता है हर चीज़ में आपकी बॉडी को रीबूट होने में. So it's not a magic to improve or your immune system, but try to follow good habits and it will increase. I'm telling you, and you can fight this virus. There is nothing you need to do. To eat or not to eat, that is now question people ask. अच्छा हम stress में हैं and I am feeling to eat this. What to do? Please find options. If you are having cravings for eating dessert कि मैं chocolate खा लूँ अभी जाके या मैं अभी dessert ice cream खा लेता हूँ, don't do that. Make custard at home, add fruits in it, eat it will serve the same purpose, but your brain will get fruits, your brain is getting milk, you are getting nutrients. So it is like you have to cope the stress. It is not, there is no way we can avoid stress daily. We are also under stress, but you have to fight that stress. You have to give your body nutrients कि मैंने nutrient दे दिया, body अपना काम खुद करेगी. But nutrients are to be given. Don't be malnourished. As I told you in the beginning only that this malnutrition has made very patients hospitalized. After hospitalization, it is like in their reports it is being seen their iron deficiency hai, they are anemic, they have many their insulin resistance is there. There are wrong types of diet leads to this. Okay, so please have balanced diet. I am not saying कि जंक फूड बिल्कुल मत खाओ, वो पॉसिबल नहीं है, पर कुछ टाइम कभी कभी खाइए, ये नहीं कि रोज ही आपकी हैबिट हो गई है. So this is now you understand how stress damages your body and how diet is related to that. Okay. Now studies have shown that I have told you already that vitamin and minerals absorb नहीं होंगे अगर आप stressful eating करते रहे या खराब खाना खाते रहे. Mild deficiencies of niacin can lead to depression. This has also been shown by many studies that depression is one thing that is very common in India. पहले कभी US में ये होता था कि mental illnesses, Alzheimer's, depression, dementia, ये सारे diseases, Parkinson's were to be seen. But now in India it is very common and I am seeing in young generation. So it makes me worried. Why? What is the stress in their lives? क्या stress है आपको? The people from good families are having stress. So that is the stressful, and one study came that India is among the most depressed country. So this is also a study that has been published that India में सबसे ज़्यादा depression है. क्यों हमें depression क्यों है? Because first of all you have to see the surroundings in which you are living. Okay, so this comprise your lifestyle. Composition of health. It is not खाना अच्छा खा लिया okay we are healthy, या हमने सिर्फ भाग ली, मैं 1 घंटा भाग कर आई थी, now my lifestyle is अच्छी and I can have my immune system strong. So social health, physical health, psychological and health, these are 3 components according to the WHO. Social health, you should have people to talk, not only on social media कि बस Facebook पे कमेंट कर दिया हमारी बातचीत हो गई. Pick a phone, talk to your friends, talk to your relatives. That is one thing that is absence in this scenario. Social health is not there. Physical health, food and exercise, that is important. Psychological, emotional health, that is also very important. So this comprise totally of the definition of World Health Organization. If you are socially, physically and psychologically healthy, then only health is, and nobody here admits that I am not psychologically healthy. But inside you know कि you are under stress or anxiety or any depressions are there. So that is the psychological health. So that is, don't create panics and don't create. So this comprise of your lifestyle. Okay. So this is you and this is all over your lifestyle. Health, wealth, love, happiness, work, family, spirit, mind, body. You all require this. So your body, your mind, your spirit, your family, work, this should be in a happiness, circle. So if you are happy from inside, then obviously your body will be happy, and it would be working in a positive manner, and it would be secreting happy hormones. And yes, happy hormones exist. Serotonin is one kind of a happy hormone, जो कि secrete ही तभी होगा when you are giving right kind of nutrition, when you are doing right kind of exercise, and you are also away from the stressful, environment. If somebody is giving you stress, or sometimes some gossip is there, for example, and you hear things about you, for example, so learn to stay away those people, from those people who are giving you stress, or who are himself or herself is a stress. So don't talk to them, whether your friendship was 10 years old or 20 years old. Some people say कि मेरी 20 साल पुरानी दोस्त है, मैं नहीं छोड़ सकते. लेकिन क्यों नहीं छोड़ सकता? If the person is giving you stress constantly, you are under physical issues, you are thinking about their talks daily, and you are thinking about the things daily, then you can, you have to avoid those people in your life. So first and foremost, be away from the negativities of the people who are spreading hate. Exercise to boost immunity. So exercise to boost immunity, this is a major question that people ask. So one thing is, like, let me tell you, there is no like you have to go to gym then only your immunity would be built. No, any kind of regular physical activity, minimum 30 minutes a day or 40 minutes, it is sufficient to build your immunity. And immunity is not done by one thing. It is a combo of diet, lifestyle, mental health, your daily activities, what you are doing. It is a combination of that. तो इसीलिए अपनी आप चाहे एरोबिक्स कर रहे हैं, किक बॉक्सिंग कर रहे हैं, पिलाटेस कर रहे हैं, योगा कर रहे हैं, वॉट एवर यू आर डूइंग, डू एट अ ब्रिस्क थिंग ऑफ दैट यू आर, आपका सांस चढ़े जिसे हम बोलते हैं, तो ब्रेथलेसनेस हो जिस एक्सरसाइज से, सो दैट इज योर हार्ट शुड पंप फास्टर. सो डू सच काइंड ऑफ अ फिजिकल एक्टिविटी टू बिल्ड योर इम्यून सिस्टम, एंड यू शुड बी, नो डाउट आपको सांस चढ़ेगा, स्टॉप इट, देन अगेन डू इट. क्लाइंबिंग स्टेयर्स, डोंट टेक अ लिफ्ट नाउअडेज, तो वैसे ही लिफ्ट बना है अब तो. हिल क्लाइंबिंग, जंपिंग रोप, तो बहुत सारी तरह की फिजिकल एक्टिविटी है. घर में आपको बैठ के करनी है तो यू कैन डू इवन वॉकिंग बाय, देयर आर मेनी यूट्यूब वीडियोज दैट विल शो यू हाउ टू वॉक एट होम without treadmill. So those are also kind of exercises that you can do. So 30 minutes you can do that. That will also make an impact. Then the most important word in your lifestyle management vocabulary is no. So no to what? No to bad people, no to negative people, and no to the people who feed you unnecessarily. That we have party, we should go to marriage functions, we are eating there. Some people like, आज तो marriage में जाना है, so we will eat this. So don't do that. So because your meal time should be fixed and managed. So don't be under pressure of the society that वो तुम तो salad खा रहे हो क्या, diet कर रहे हो क्या. So salad eating is like diet करना. Otherwise salad खाना is not necessary in any party. You have to be indulging into the wrong type of foods, which I call wrong type of foods. People do not. So please always watch what is going into your mouth. Okay, and small things will make a difference. It is not कि आज से आप सब छोड़ दो. I am not saying that, but small things you have to do that will change your whole life. Then there are 4 principles. I'm not telling you to follow a proper diet plan, that आप कोई डाइट प्लान फॉलो करें. मैं वो नहीं कह रही हूँ कि क्योंकि वो मुश्किल बहुत है, एंड पीपल आर नॉट एबल टू follow the diet plan. So you can follow by these simple principles. So this is wait a sec, slide is not changing. So first is like never wake to tea or coffee. So never you should waking up to tea or coffee at the morning. Many people are in habit of waking up and having tea and coffee. So many of you will raise hand if I'll ask you one कि आप में से कितने लोग चाय कॉफ़ी पीते हैं. So नहीं पिए, क्योंकि हमें ऐसा लगता है कि हमें एक्टिवनेस आएगी, हम एकदम से उठ जाएंगे. It is not the case. So what happens, आपकी blood sugar is low when last dinner is 12 hours before, and now you want tea or coffee to increase your blood sugar levels, and your liver instead needs nutrients, not the sugar in the first thing in the morning. And also tea coffee also damages the calcium and phosphorus stores in the body. So tea coffee na le, and instead you can take nuts, fruits, and anything that is like green tea is also, some will ask me the question, but green tea with an apple. Green tea won't work alone in absence of the antioxidants. Principle 2 is eat every 2 hours. So your plate should have fruits, grains, vegetable, proteins, and dairy. And frequently 2 hours, small meals. Don't take large meals. So small meals 5 times a day is sufficient for you. And breaking down, and this is cycling all the food groups like fruits bhi le liya, dairy bhi le liya, grains bhi le liya, vegetables, sab kuch. And oil should be used sparingly. And I've told you, oils, not all oils are bad. And even 2 teaspoons of desi ghee should be included in the diet daily. तो वो भी लेना चाहिए because उसके अपने benefits हैं body के. So clarified butter is now recommended in the foreign countries as well to keep your heart health. It is bad only when you do in excess. कोई भी चीज़ आप excess में करेंगे वो bad ही है. दूसरा आपकी एक biological clock है, circadian rhythm भी बोलते हैं इसको. That is, don't disrupt that. सुबह 5 बजे सोना, दिन के 2 बजे उठना is disturbing your biological clock. या रात के 2 बजे सोना, सुबह उठना 11 बजे, this is disturbing your biological clock. So please maximum wake up by 8 a.m. Okay. Then what symptoms? That is your body will show you symptoms whenever you are into ill health. आपकी body symptom दिखाएगी. So कितने भी आप हेल्दी हैं लेकिन सिम्टम्स आप वॉच करें. हेडेक है, बैकएक है, लेग प्रॉब्लम्स हैं, जॉइंट पेन्स हैं, या फिर आपको सिंपल हाइव्स हैं या फ्लशिंग है स्किन की. सो दीज आर ऑल सिम्टम्स दैट आर शोइंग यू आर malnourished. You are fatigued, you are tired, you don't want to work, you want to lay in bed all the time. So that find out why it is happening. So have an open dialogue with your stomach, what it needs. And also if it is needing wrong kind of foods always, then also look into the pattern that you are not eating, you are malnourished more. So excellent career will result in when you are in excellent health. For example, if you are not able to work properly, then who will hire you? And how will you work? You can't be always saying, "Na, today I have fever, today I have flu, today I have headache, today I have backache." Nobody will listen. So you have to work efficiently in your career. So lifestyle will contribute to that. Then there is eat more when you are more active and eat less when you are less active. When you are not doing anything, तो खाना ही कम खाएं. ये नहीं होता, उल्टा है. What we do when we are busy, we don't eat, and when we are at home, we are eating everything. We are going to the kitchen and whatever is there, we start eating. And then principle 4 is finish your last meal at least 2 hours prior to sleeping. So 2 घंटे पहले खाना खा लें सोने से. तो प्राइम टाइम इज 9 to 9:30. वैसे मैं रिकमेंड करती हूँ 6:30, बट इट इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल फॉर मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल. सो मैक्सिमम इज 9:30. डोंट ईट पोस्ट 9:30. वैसे यू शुडेंट ईट आफ्टर 8 o'clock. But this is like, this is the schedule what we follow daily. Then coffee tea post dinner is also like a poison. So don't do that. Many people I have seen after dinner, they want coffee tea. So this will not allow to the absorption of nutrients, whatever are taken in the dinner. So please don't do that. So color of the tongue, you can watch the people who eat tea coffee. So this color of tongue should be pink. And if it is light yellow to dark brown, it is saying that you have toxins in your body. So don't have tea coffee post dinner. Desserts ice cream post dinner is also not good because हमारी बॉडी का एक शुगर लेवल होता है जो आप ब्लड शुगर में टेस्ट भी कराते हैं. सो इट हैज़ टू बी मेंटेन. एक मील में एक प्रॉपर शुगर लेवल्स आपका 140 तक जाता है क्योंकि उसको ग्लाइसेमिक लोड ऑफ द मील कहते हैं. इफ़ वी एड आइसक्रीम स्वीट्स टू इट तो वो ग्लाइसेमिक लोड डबल हो गया. तो ये ग्लाइसेमिक लोड जब आप बढ़ाएंगे तो द शुगर विल गेट कन्वर्टेड टू फैट बिकॉज आवर बॉडी हैज़ अ लिमिट टू स्टोर द ग्लूकोज एज ग्लाइकोजन. अगर वो लिमिट से बाहर होगा तो ग्लूकोज विल बी स्टोर्ड एज फैट. सो दिस इज द अनदर टिप. So then we come to this was all about diet, nutrition, stress, how you have to work, and also your mental health should be good. Now there are some myths related to coronavirus that are going around and around. That is, drinking alcohol will prevent COVID-19. The answer is no, it has no effect like that. Can UV bulbs for disinfecting used to kill COVID-19 on your body? No, UV bulbs will have radiations and it will also damage your skin and irritation will be caused. Can spraying alcohol or chlorine on your body kill the virus inside? That is also a myth that is going around. That will also damage your clothes and skin. Can one teaspoon of black pepper with honey ingested daily will kill virus? There is no way the virus would be killed. This black pepper, 1 teaspoon black pepper will damage your mucous lining of the esophagus and stomach. Can eating garlic prevent COVID-19? That is also a myth. Eating garlic cannot prevent COVID-19. Can rinsing your nose regularly with saline solution prevent COVID-19? It is also a myth. It can only cure the cold. The people who suffer from colds can have saline solutions to prevent the COVID-19, but don't rinse them regularly. Say COVID-19 nahi hoga, aisa nahi hai. Then any drugs that can treat COVID-19, there are no such drugs available in the market. You can protect yourself by gargling bleach. Some people tried that also. That will also very much dangerous to your health. So don't do that, and it will damage your larynx and pharynx. Then this presentation is over, and I thank you all for being patient, listening to me. And in the last, I would also, like to introduce my domain, that is Faculty of Health and Allied Sciences and or Amity Medical School. And I wanted to, in the beginning only, I told you that I will be introducing each and every department. So these are the departments present in medical school, Bachelor of Audiology and Speech Language Pathology. So this is, accredited by the RCI and the Rehabilitation Council of India. Medical Lab Technology, the Bachelor and Masters is available. Dietetics and Applied Nutrition, Bachelor, Masters and PhD is available. Bachelor of Optometry and Masters in Optometry plus practitioner in the course of Masters in Optometry. So these are available. Masters of Public Health, Masters of Hospital Administration with Executive Program in Masters in Hospital Administration, MSc Clinical Research, the Masters Program, the students who are interested. PhD in Optometry is there, PhD in Dietetics, PhD in Hospital Admin and PhD in Public Health. So these are all the programs that we run under the aegis of Amity Medical School. We started in 2011 and now it's been, almost 10 years that we are running all these departments successfully. And now our National Allied Health Council has also come and government has made the council, and that would be very good for the professionals who will be, passing out from these courses, and they would be called paramedical professionals. So that is a, a good move by the government. And we have collaborations and MOUs with various hospitals and various, industries, so that our students get the internships and placements and everything. So these are the major MOUs which I am showing you over the screen. And then we have the industry and corporate houses, trainings that are, major trainings are done here. So I think our students are, do not get any issues regarding that. So thank you for listening to me, and any questions you can ask.
Thank you, Dr. Lakshita. It was a very informative and very knowledgeable session, and I'm getting much feedback into the comment section as well. So congratulations for this wonderful webinar. You can unshare yourself, I guess. You have done it. Yeah. Okay. So one question that I have received, so we are already short of time, so I'll take 2 questions from the question bank that we have received. The number one is about taking steam. So one is, participants are asking about will taking steam daily will help removing the coronavirus?
That I am going to tell you. A recent research has been published, and also by the many pulmonologists. They have told us that daily inhalation of steam can be dangerous to your airways and to your trachea. It can damage the mucous lining, that is the natural protection in the nose and the gut lining. It will damage it. So don't take steam daily. It is not beneficial at all. Only take when you are suffering from colds, flu or cough or any problem is there. So you cannot be saved with this steam taking daily. Instead, it will cause the harm.
Right. Another one is regarding to the nutrition supplements. Are they helpful in managing coronavirus or killing coronavirus?
Nutritional supplements can be only managing, as I told you in my presentation, that they can be, provide a support to boost your immune system. But killing coronavirus is not their work, and they won't do that. But they will activate the immune cells that are working in our body to fight that virus, and you will have stability in fighting that virus, and आपको problems नहीं होगी. You won't get hospitalized if you are on these nutritional supplements, and there is no harm of taking them daily. Nowadays doctors are recommending.
That's right. And the final one is around yoga. So will yoga support in the boosting the immunity for the coronavirus, or maybe overall, what you would like to suggest?
Yes, yoga is somewhat helpful in improving the immunity, but not completely, because what we have seen, either so you do power yoga, that is useful. I have told you already that you should have a respiration fast exercises, and when you do yoga daily, like pranayams and all are being recommended, you can do it, but don't expect that that will increase your immunity or your oxygen levels will increase. That will not happen, and because yoga has a very slow effect on body. When you practice yoga for years and years, then the results are seen. So at today's scenario, we cannot wait for years to come. Okay, we have to take some fast things that can help us.
That's right. One question I received from Shubham is: are there any specific food which enhance or secrets of serotonin or dopamine?
Serotonin and dopamine are increased by, as I have told you, omega-3 fatty acids like flax seeds आप ले सकते हैं, या आप healthy nuts and oil seeds हैं, ये सब आपके increase करेंगे. Plus many green leafy vegetables will also help you to increase the vitamin D and vitamin C rich sources increase करते हैं neurotransmitters serotonin and dopamine दोनों ही. So it is dependent on diet, yes. So you should take these. Chia seeds are रहे हैं, you can take them also. They are also very good.
Mahima has asked this question: does eucalyptus oil steam speed up the healing process of coronavirus?
Don't do that. Even it is being researchers are saying, do not inhale any essential oils or any kind of oils. Please do not do that. That is also a myth related to coronavirus. नहीं करें आप ये. Because WhatsApp पे बहुत कुछ आया जा रहा है. Please don't follow that कि कपूर आप ले लें, आप यूकेलिप्टस ऑयल ले लें, या लद्दाख में लोग लेते हैं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता. Let me tell you frankly, please don't do that.
Right. And the final one, Dr. Rajesh Mehra is asking confirmation about Surya Namaskar. What is your take?
See, in topic related to immune boosting thing is whatever Surya Namaskar can heal you in fighting bad stress, or your cells can be rejuvenated. But if the other factors are absent in your life, like diet is not proper, stress is there, you are not exercising any other thing apart from Surya Namaskar, then it will not happen. Yoga goes with diet side by side. If you are alone doing yoga, it will not help you. Otherwise, Surya Namaskar has many benefits. I won't deny that. But your lifestyle should be proper. According to that, then only it will give you benefits.
Right. With this, thank you so much, Dr. Lakshita, for your wisdom of knowledge. And I'm sure participants must have enjoyed today's session and must have learned so much from it. Any thank you note from your side?
Okay, thank you so much, all of you, the attendees. I can see your questions and also see your comments. And thank you for attending such an important webinar. And thank you, Mr. Sachin Juneja, who is Director of our Marketing Department at Amity University, Haryana. He is a very dynamic person. And also, I thank you from my heart for organizing and inviting you all for this webinar. For this, to impart the education is the most important work that we should do in today's world, and the information should be right, scientific, and it is very important that we shouldn't be talking about the myths, fads and fallacies. So apart from that, we should be able to give the knowledge to the people that follow right, and please don't panic. Keep your mental health right, eat right kind of foods, stay healthy, and stay eat healthy, and also keep yourselves away from all the mental tensions. Don't panic. Whatever is happening outside, stay home right now. And then when the wave will decrease, then also take the precautions. And thank you, sir, for organizing this. Thank you, all of you.
Thank you everyone for attending today's session.